If you want a woman to miss you like crazy, even if she's not interested yet, you have to stand out. You need to give her something she can't get anywhere else. I'm about to drop 7 powerful secrets to make her crave your presence. Let's go. 1. Stop chasing her. The more available you are, the less she values you. Women are wired to be drawn toward men who create a sense of mystery. Stop constantly texting her. When you pull away, her mind starts to wonder, where is he? Who is he with? And trust me, that's when she starts missing you. 2. Show her you're thriving. She'll check your social media, so make sure she sees a man who's living his best life. Post moments that highlight your confidence, fun, and success. No desperate updates, only wins. If she feels like she's missing out, she'll want to be part of it. 3. Ignore her attention traps. She will test you, posting selfies, cryptic statuses, or trying to make you jealous. Do not fall for it. Liking her posts or reacting gives her validation. Instead, stay silent. When she sees you're not biting, it'll drive her crazy. 4. Trigger jealousy. Subtly. You don't have to date other women. Just make it seem like you have options. A simple group photo with a female friend can spark curiosity. Women don't want a man no one else wants. Let her imagination do the work. 5. Create emotional triggers. Make your moments with her memorable. Give her a unique nickname or joke only you two share. When she hears it later, she'll think of you. This creates associative memory, a powerful trick to keep you on her mind. 6. Teach her something new. Women admire men who can lead and teach. If you introduce her to a new skill, hobby, or perspective, she'll always associate it with you. That makes you unforgettable. 7. Stay cool when she reaches out. When she finally contacts you, don't overreact. Be casual. A simple, "Hey, how are you?" is enough. If you act too eager, she'll know she had control all along. Keep her guessing. And there you have it. Use these 7 secrets wisely, and she'll start missing you badly. Want more? Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on game-changing advice.